also garment design, and then also UV and thermal protective apparel with a user-centered focus. So this all is right in my wheelhouse. Put this quote on here, which came from Intertech, because I think it really speaks to what we're getting at. We focus a lot on the fabrics, but there's also something in the actual construction of the garment that makes a real difference. Both Lakeland and Veridian have a lot of really good features in their seams. They do a lot of very similar things in their seams, a few differences, but it's all very similar because they get tested to the same standards, as Brian pointed out. So they have to meet the same requirements in the end. I'm trying to speak fast. Yes, I have coffee.
Take your time, girl.
All right.
TikTok.
From a product development standpoint, when we're looking at seams, we want to think about the final appearance of the garment. We want to think about the final performance of the garment. We also have to think about what's it going to cost to actually produce this. We can't make everything like the absolute perfect seam for, you know, every garment, because you have to sell it. If we make it 100% perfect, it's going to be like Louis Vuitton, I don't know, something crazy expensive. So that's what we're looking at a product development standpoint. We also have to think about the stitching itself. We have to think about not just the seam type, but we have to match the thread's fiber to the type of material that we're looking at. We have to match the needle size as well as the type of needle. You wouldn't use the same needle size on an outer shell material that you're going to use on the moisture barrier, that you're going to use on the thermal barrier. So on a production standpoint, those are things that Jerez has to think about, Spencer has to think about, Des Moines, Whitman. They are all considering those in the products that they are manufacturing. Number of stitches per inch, whether it's 8 to 10 or 7, it's important to the final outcome. All of these things will impact the strength and durability of your seam, and it has to match the final product that you're producing. We're gonna talk about these things, maybe not super in depth, but we'll touch on them. Protective clothing in particular, we're looking for durability in our seams. We're looking for extensibility. These images, they came from PowerPoint, so, you know, a checklist on extensibility doesn't make a lot of sense. We're talking about, you know, its actual ability to fulfill the